Hello, today we will learn and paint poultry. This is a rooster. Red color. Wow! Please subscribe. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Yellow color. Brown color. Ready. This is a parrot. Light green color. Red color. Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her house.
Blue color. Ready. This is a chick. Yellow color. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Brown color. Green color. Biscuit color. Brown color. Ready. Sky blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Biscuit color. Red color. Brown color. That's all. Goodbye to the next video.